Ah. Tapos, ano ron ang haloon do? Simento kara?
Clay.
Simento. Bagas gali, bagas.
Clay.
Yapok. Ah. Ayo,
Yes.
manual na manual, di karagali, imaw.
Pardon? Yes.
Pilang dagon yun, ikaw nagaano nang? 13 years? 36 years? Wow.
How old's Night? And these are ones that are already...
Man, that's bricks.
Don't touch.
Yeah, don't touch it. It's not clean.
See, you keep touching it.
Yeah. If you keep touching it, you will break it.
Yes,
Oh.
I realise that.
Yan, tagalitan mo ate. Pangisgi lang, pangisgi. Ha?
That's why, look. That's how we make.
Ay, okay.
This is what we wanted.
Yeah, that's why.
Tapos dayan lapok, inhalin sa tayhawan.
Lagi na mix.
Agaw na naiya at asa may ano.
And
Ganas,
Ay, okay.
Saka na sabi naman.
Ah.
And how do you form it? Just with the
No, we
finger?
will mix it by frying sand.
Yes.
And then
There
after
is
that, we will
ate.
make like that and we will make like this.
And then
Yes.
all by hand. Not on the wheel.
Yeah, of course, in the wheel.
Te, okay lang.
And how
Okay lang,
does the wheel
kasama
go
kayo.
around? How do they make the wheel go round?
Ha?
How do they make the wheel go round?
You will
What?
use your hands.
In Australia,
Yeah.
when I was very young,
Yes.
50 years
So you
ago,
now so you are here.
Go. This is what you get if you are from the province, if you live from the province, in the province. This is how I miss. This is what I miss.
yes.
Removing
Hang
the...
on show your foot first.
No, not like that. No. They. And those dirt comes from this alley here. That's the house of my grandma. Jan mango. Jan mango with paga.
Ready?
Final. No, it's not like that. It's like this. I'll show you. Like this.
No.
Ang ganda ng simbahan ng Liso. Ayan guys, oh. Pagdating ko dito sa Liso, ito agad ang na ano ng attention ko. Ang ganda ng simbahan nila. Kanami. Madyapilaut ang dagon dayang simbahan nga raya. So, Musyon Mawarang guys. Dito sa Liso, Aklan. This is Aklanon gid. Musyon Mawarang sa Liso, Aklan. O diba, ang ganda ng simbahan nila, oh. Ngayon lang ako nakapunta ng Leso. Super ganda ng simbahan. I love it. Siguro ilang taon na tong chapel na ito. Ang ganda sobra. So this is Aklanon Gid and Musyon, Mawarang. Samahan niyo akong tuklasin ang Lezo.
And these are ones that are
No, that's bricks.
Don't touch.
Yeah, don't touch it. It's not easy.
See? You keep touching it.
Yeah. If you keep touching it, you will break it. You broke it.
Yes,
Oh.
I realise that.
Yan, tagalitan mo ate. Pangisgi lang, pangisgi. Ha?
That's why, look. That's how we make.
Ay, okay.
This is what we wanted.
Yeah, that's why.
Tapos dayan lapok si inhalin sa tayhawan.
Lagi na mix ka na.
Agaw na naiya at asa may ano.
And
Ang ganas, eh.
Ay, okay.
Sa ganas, sabi ng bubuan.
Ah,
And how do you form it? Just with the
No, we
finger?
will mix it by frying sand.
Yes.
And then
There
after
is
that, we will
ate.
make like that and we will make like this.
And then
Yes.
all by hand. Not on the wheel.
Yeah, of course, in the wheel.
te, okay lang.
And how
Okay
does
lang,
the wheel
kasama
go
kayo.
round? How do they make the wheel go round?
Ha?
How do they make the wheel go round?
You will
What?
use your hands.
In Australia,
Yeah.
when I was very young,
Yes.
like 50
Ah,
years
so you
ago.
now so you are here applying with this.
Wow.
We don't use only hands. We use only this. We
Yes.
use the
Ah.
Yes.
Tapos, pagka mold na naigtunday ninyo
And
iano.
now,
Aw.
she's cutting it like that, yes.
In a step by step.
Ah.
That's exactly what we did.
Hindi naman
Cut it
madayre.
like that,
Ah.
and then mixing it.
Pero kung maintok gid man niya ron isang kanya dapat intok kay mo yung doon.
Bisan mga magagko makaraman na obra. Ah. Gaom ko ay may mold gamo. Ay, uwa.
Pinopiran niya sa
And that, this is the
Ah. 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 Hay paaling kung halimbawa may customer hay may sariling design, aga personalize mo.
Kanila amon na lang ang ginaobra iya karang amon.
Ano human agi? Ah. Tapos ano ron ang halo undo semento kara? Ah, pag
Clay.
semento. Bagas gali, bagas.
clay.
Lapok. Ah. Ay,
Yes.
manual na manual, di karagali, imaw.
Pardon? Yes.
Pilang dagon yun, ikaw nagaano nang? 13 years? 36 years? Wow.
How old's no?
Pilang dagon ka nang? 55? 36 years she's been making it.
It looks like it. It looks like
Yeah, because the way she...
Yeah, yeah, and it's quick.
Yeah.
And she just made that one.
Yes. Wow.
How's that? I
Galing.
stumbled on this, sweetie. That's why we asked.
That's amazing.
Yeah, it's
That-
clear.
Talent. Very talented.
And after doing it for 36 years, I'm sure then I can do this with her eyes closed.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Ah, and there's the claws. Wow.
And see, it's coming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's coming.
It's getting bigger.
Look at that. And that's it.
Look how smooth is that.
Look at that.
Wow. Mom is calling. Mom is calling. That's the finished product.
Our bag's here, Sadie.
See?
Try, sir?
Yeah, I try. I try. You tell me how to do this. Lisa.
Oh, wala, pabi ako. Wala, para pali, wala yan.
Ate is left-handed. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Hindi kami magkatalon dahil makaraan. May mga estudyante yung nasarap ka ako na parang nangyagi. Wala, di ako. Ako nga. Ako may unang nagkapilit tayo nga. Ano ko ba?
Pati daya pang waga din. O bukon.
Wala to, pero
Waga to.
Like that or not? Yes. Hang on, because feel like this. Ping pong.
kaya mo lang siya. Kaya na mag-ubra.
Nice.
Kaya,
Hay, paalin, haman nag-isot doon.
napataas natin.
Wow! Oh!
And this is for cooking, yes? Cooking?
Ano daya nung kalan? Kalan.
You make a best thing. What's this?
Kalan man gali
And then
daya.
they dry a bit, then it cuts.
Yeah. Daya doon.
Second, yes.
Ah,
Yes. Yes.
butang di karon. Para ikorte. This is the off-cut.
Yes. Look at this way. Look at this way.
Ito ang pinakauna. Okay, yang nung i-video ko nung. Okay.
Oh, look at this. Look at this how he unwraps it. Here, film it from here, Sweetie, where he squirts it. From this side, Sweetie.
Yan, ayan guys, ito naman lutuan.
Very
Lutuan yung ginagawa ni Kuya.
You're very talented.
Ano pangalan mo, sir? Ha? Sir Richie. Ah. Anong oras ka nagsimula tag-ubra, no? Bago lang. Ha? Hindi. Anong pilang dagon ka nag-umpisa ubra makara? Ah, 15 years old.
That's it.
Ang galing. Yan.
Maganda.
15 years old si Sir Richie nagsimula.
Since 15.
Yes.
How old is he now?
Pilang dagon ka na? 42.
Wow. This is why you're very good at this.
Kaya nga,
How many a day can you make?
pila ko no ka bilog imo maobra sa sang adlaw? 30.
Wow.
Depende kung manong din masipag.
Oh, it's also the same
With
with,
the rain,
ate.
nice
Yes.
day. Yes. And then dry
Yeah.
and warm, yes.
Ah.
And does he reuse this? To remix
Tapos
this?
ginagamit niyo pa daw ito ya,
Remix?
recycle.
Yeah, recycle. Nice.
Paano yun ulit? Palambutin.
To make it softer again.
Yes, yeah.
So, ayan, napuntahan natin ang isa or ang lugar na pinaka gumagawa ng mga pottery dito sa Lezo, Aklan. Actually, dapat bibili lang talaga kami ng pot. But we just discover the main, or my husband who discovered it actually. Thanks to my husband. Yan, na-discover namin ang paggawaan ng pot dito sa Lezo. So if you ever guys wanted to buy a pot, come and visit Lezo, Aklan. Lang kami ko na nag-imbestiga dayaw hay. Oo. Oo, mapatang yakag to sa Liso.
Kapit malang istansya.
Yani, mapatang kaag to iya. Ayan, makaraandang procedure sa pag-ubra.
You make dancing in
Mga
the clay.
kaang... You wanna try also?
Kuya ko no. Pasautay mo rin karon.
Oh, ano ka di karon?
Good.
Hard exerciser.
Good.
Yeah, kuya is in good condition.
Kuya is in very good condition. How old is Kuya?
57.
Ah, hard work ah.
Oh, very hard working.
Kailangan eh. Kailangan mag-hard work.
Ano daya ng stock gang ninyo or order mo ta?
Ginaubra na mo doon dahil may
Stock.
mga order.
Ah.
May order na ako yung tanang same food.
Ah,
Pero, ginabutangan isa po sa kitchen.
okay.
What?
You have to watch how kuya do it.
Oh, very good. You nice dancing. Kailangan ng order ka.
Ah,
What is that?
Clay pot for the soap
soap holder.
soap
Nice.
holder in the patient of St. Luke Hospital in Manila.
Nice.
Para mahalo yung bagas.
Kinanglan dit ani mong gapakon dit mayat. You know how to mix clay and sand. Oh, very good. Oh, may amo yung ang foreigner na manubayot daga.
Hay, baton yun nang? Baton yun? Ha?
Bato yung taron. Taga sini mo raman.
Taga Australia.
Ay, Australia.
Pero sa Palawan, yata kami
Last
nakabis.
day makarang.
Oo.
Nagbakasyon man na kami.
Ayan, ito yung mga order para kay ate. Sa St. Luke's daw ito. Order. Soap holder. And then, may iba siyang mga ready na. O, diba?
I live in Palawan.
Yan, dito lang siya guys, sa likod, ang pinaka-production line nila. Sa may tabi ng ilog.
Yes, 63 and a half. 48.
And now you are in Boracay?
No, we live in
Ayan.
Palawan.
Ito
And my
yung
wife is from Estancia.
production nila.
Yes.
Ah, okay naman. Okay.
And we come to
Tigayon ka nang.
visit the
Ay, sol
mother.
ako nga. Ay, sol.
Ah. Grabe hard work.
Now you're seeing in Estancia. Subay ka mo na.
Akon nga nanay, ay lola gali. Sa Ganas, sa istansya, sa Ganas.
Sila sa mga rehente.
Sa punta gid, pinakapunta.
Very hard work here.
Very. Dapat ay kung maugot ka,
Yeah, good condition. Good condition.
pero may hugasan matayanong. May intra man ako. Ay. Ah. Sa dayang ara nung pilang bato mabupura. Abo. Or depende sa size na dahon.
And ordering, you get paid for this.
Tapos kapag-kapako niya. No, kabog. Don't think the camera.
Oh, now you're taking it over. Bullshit.
Haring camera ako mo bra.
Oh, chubby, Sadie, chubby.
Ah.
You need chubby.
No, tabang.
Nice. Yeah. Tato, I bet here. What's that? Oh yeah, that's better. Oh, Jesus.
Ay, natupak. Aw na to.
That's right. Play father.
Ano yun? Parang may datian ako nagtunog.
Yeah, that's nice. It's groovy on it. This would be good footage to use with. Huh? Oh yeah, look at that. Maganda. Mine's nice.
The sun will be
Yours are softy and mine's hard. This is what we wanted.
Tawa, tatanda.
Yan.
Nagsakay kami ano ho? Jeep? Oo.
Yes, definitely. Beer for lunch. For breakfast. Hey, this black one, so you get the black one. You take your breakfast? No. Good.
Tama-tama yan, wala pa.
Back for you anyway. I need to lose some of this. Shit. We need more tubing in this little bit.
Wa.
May mineral na ako kaya pugi. Pagkamandan na bawas. Mineral ba karon? Mineral na karon.
Ayan na ang finished product ng clay. Diba? Soil and sand.
Clay and sand.
Ay, clay and sand pala.
Clay. That clay
Ah, ito.
with the shovel and this sand. Sand.
Ito. Yan. Tapos,
This sand.
ito yung buhangin. Galing sa river. Diba? Ayan, among pa, siki. Ma, bugal-bugal, gidro ni Mau.
Experience tayo mo ano halo play.
Oo. Nabawasan ang kanyang taba.
Dapat kasi morning ay yan ko
Stand siya. Wa nang nag-ano
Look at
kami.
that.
Oo.
Look at that. Look how strong that becomes
Yeah.
so quick.
Yeah.
Yeah, super. But still soft.
Ate is strong.
Oh, super.
Grabe, ang lalaki.
Ah, yeah. And then she
Tapos ito oh, ayan guys
Let's
yung mga
enjoy
ano
and
niya oh. Yan.
then design.
Nay, i-post ko sa channel ko, Nay, ha? Sa YouTube ko. Okay lang po?
channel.
Sa channel ko sa YouTube, Aklanon Gid.
Pwede mo man natin sa cellphone.
Sa YouTube, galing. Okay, thank you. Med kung gagaong ay. Oo.
And more people will come. More people will watch and more people will come.
Para may ano man
Oo. Yan, so ito na yung pinaka-finished product nila. Yan. Tapos mamaya, puntahan natin doon yung pinaka-oven nila.
Ito oven ikato ni.
Para i-dry ito. Doon nila isasalang.
May kasalang siguro nga na ilang.
Yan, so dito nila ilalagay yung mga ready na dito sa oven na ito. Yan. Yan. Diba? Ang lalaki, oh. Yan. Tapos, ayan pa, oh. Meron pa. Meron pa yan, yung mga yan. Yan. Where? Tapos, ito pa. Oh. And then, ito na yung ibang mga finish product. Yan. Tapos mamaya, dadaling ko kayo sa pinaka shop. Yung display nila. Yan. Mga lutuan. Yung doon sa pinanggalingan natin kanina, doon yung molding, and then ito na yung finished product ng kalan. Ay, bilunggo muna natin.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
Ayan ang buong shop ng Lizo Pottery. Ayan guys, so kung if ever makaagto ka mo iya sa Lizo, iya ro mga abong pot, mga kuron, kaang, soap holder, andito lahat. Malalaki, maliliit na pots. Yan. Tapos ito yung pinaka pottery ano nila, pagawaan. Yan. And then hanggang sa dulo. Tapos pag dire-diretsahin nyo ito doon hanggang sa may ilog, makikita nyo. Makikita nyo yung kanilang pinaka-production. At makakapag-experience din kayo ng pag-mix ng pot. At yung mga gumagawa din ng pot. As in, ang friendly nila. Approachable. Promise. Dito sa way nito. Yan. Diretsahin nyo lang yan. Makikita nyo yan dyan sila sa gilid. So, yan. Dito sa Lizo, Aklan. Tapos 100 pesos, 150 yung pot. Or depende sa size na bibilhin mo. Yan. Yan yung mga finished product na. Pero ang gaganda. Yan. Bibili kasi kami ng yung lutuan na paso. So, kaya kami napunta dito. O, diba? Ang dami, oh. Bayangan. Bayangan pala ang tawag dito. Yan, kabilaan to guys. Kayo na ang bahalang pumili. Yan. Ay! Saan na siya? Sa inyo. Tao sa inyo na to? Sa inyo to? Ah, nauhaw siguro. Yan ang buong Bayangan. Bayangan Village. Yan, kung gusto niyo ng mga pots, punta lang kayo dito sa Lizo, Aklan. Ang daming choices dito. Kayo magsasawa. Anong oras pa? May... Or we go back there. Nang anong oras pabalik sa Kalibo na. Class. May ano mata? Ina mata di karan. At school, at the school, you can just you just said just go to the school. Ayan, bibili na kami ng pots.
How much one for your mom?
The small.
For her mom. I want a big one and a small one.
I don't think it will fit in your bag. You have to carry it. Or box. Hindi mag-igo. Tali na lang.
Carry.
Or box. May box ka na. Karton na lang. Karton.
Dalawa ko na nasa Palawan ko.
Karton.
Yes, Tata.
There.
Yes.
You have a friend there who don't have wife.
No.
Aaron?
You have husband?
No, I don't have. That's why I'm
Yeah, you
looking.
know why?
Why?
Because it's rah-rah.
What? I said, that's why. That's why I need to be quiet.
Austin, you get this off?
Ay, sin mo talaga ako nabalik sa anak mo. Karton? Kasako? Sako ba mo? Puro na may buhit ko. Ibalik na niya ang ihag. Puro may buhit ko. Puro na lang iba. Ibalik pa rin.
Ayan, kaya ito yung nabili namin, ganyan. Yan.
Basically. Very nice.
So, ayan guys, kung gusto niyo bumili, dito kayo magpunta sa Liso. Dami ditong choices. Promise. Tapos, kung wala kayong asawa, si ate. Kung wala kayong asawa, dito si ate naghahanap. Kailangan daw, apam daw. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, hi, paalin. Gaoy, gid. Nagbayo kaming daywag to.
I'm gonna crack it if I say I want a little one as well.
Huh?
The little one.
Little one.
Yeah, I want one of these little ones.
Pila kuno tag naisot ng 150 man. Ikaw usoy nagaoy ta tinikang.
Just a little one.
150 nga daw.
Yeah, but what is it? What's the bottom thing for? Incense or something? What is it?
Ay, tiko lang ay.
What's it for?
Para si Inconor maisot nga na. Ha? Pang? Ah,
For the kids.
for kids. Maybe that's the one that Susana wants.
They'll break by the time we go to Manila and then the low one.
Ah,
I'd like to buy this one. But they'll buy.
anyway. Hindi lang. Di yun lang. Kuno. That's it for today.
Magkano? Yeah, it's a problem.
Haron da!
Magkano?
Pila ko na tananan. Bala kayo dyan. $50, wala. Wala, puro coins. No.
Hindi man narin ang hardcore. Abo na kamuman. Eh kung hardcore ang playa ay. Look how big that is.
Ano, daya ng order or stock lang?
Order man.
Order.
Does she have to do that to all of it?
Yeah.
Needle it. God, watch out, sweetie. Look at that.
Grabe.
Mommy, look at that.
Ito na yung ginawa namin kaninang umaga. Or, grabe ka. Tapos ito, oh. Yan. Diba? Tapos ito pa. Galing.
Auntie just gave me this as a present. Thank you, Auntie. That's really nice. Thank you.
Very welcome.
You're very sweet. Thank you. Maganda, look, I got a present. Thank you, Auntie.
Okay, welcome.
No, thank you. Hello.
Ayan, after 4 hours? What time are we here for this morning? 9? 8?
Now it's
3 o'clock.
8 hours ago.
8 hours ago. Ayan na yung ginawa namin kanina. Ano nga yung tawag nito? Bayo-bayo? Ano yan? Pagbayo. Ayan na, sa likuran ko. ang mga bays. Mga paso. Grabe. Gawa na sila ng malalaking paso. So, galing. Ang lalaki ng paso. Magkano nyo binibenta yung paso, te? Nagpila inyong nabaligya. 800 pesos. Oh, 800 pesos each daw ito. Yung paso nilang malaki. Ang bilis.
Nice. And the initial of something.
Dito na rin sila gumagawa ng kanilang paso.
Don't forget my battery spawn. Renias battery.
Ayan, Remias Pottery.
Where did I buy this today?
To order any kind of pot
I forgot.
in Renias battery.
Ayan guys, so if you want to buy some pots or cooking pots, come and see Remias Pottery in Lizo, Aklan.
0938
0938 012
103
1036. Ate Remia.
Renias battery. Stella.
Oh. Remia is the owner. Remias. Remias Stella Pottery.
Owner of Renias battery.
Oh, diba?
Anak ko rin. Oh my goodness. There's a record.